Hey everyone, how's it going? In this video, let's have a look at the POSP ROM for the LG V30. So I'm using this on my H930 and it should work on all variants except H932. So this is based on Android 10 and it has March Android security patch level. So that's that. Let's jump in and have a look at the features. So first of all, let's have a look at the quick tiles that we have. So these are the quick tiles. Now let's move forward. And about the bugs, I'll be leaving a link down in the description below about the major bugs that this ROM has. So you can check that out. And under the gestures, you will find options like jump to camera by double press of power button, activate torch by either double press or long press of the power button. And you have a few navigation options. Let me just quickly switch to the much coveted gesture navigation of Android 10. So as you can see here, we have the option of full screen to be used as touchscreen region or just the bottom part. And you have the sensitivity option as well. This comes in really handy because some apps really need the left top part to be left empty to access the menu. And this is prevent ringing options. So this ROM is not the most feature rich ROM, but it is actually pretty stable, has good battery life, and it is probably one of the smoothest ROMs that I've used. Now let's move on. And for those of you who do not know about ASP ROMs on LG V30, no, VoLTE and VO Wi-Fi won't work here. And any LG app like LG Gcam or other LG apps like LG Hi-Fi Recorder, they won't work here either. For camera, I suggest you use a Google camera. I'll be leaving a link down in the description of their Telegram channel. It's a really good channel. Now under the sound section, you will find a few options. You have the screenshot sound option, touch sounds, touch vibration, etc. And you even have the Hi-Fi codec. So that can be accessed when you plug in your earphones. Now let's move on. So that's pretty much all the things except the main menu. And you have the battery options and you'll find the battery percentage option hidden here. This is the one. So battery life has been pretty great for me. I'm really liking the battery here. Now let's move on. And under the display section, you will find a few options as well, like the dark theme, screensaver, lock screen display, display size, font size. Though I haven't been able to find the styling options in this particular ROM, which is available on most ROMs. Maybe I just missed it somehow. So you have the option for ambient music ticker, always on, show lockdown, and always on display works really nicely here. And this is the default launcher that it comes with. Do know that all launchers do not work with this Android 10 gestures, like Nova launcher won't really work that well. But Launcher, Pixel Launcher, these launchers work well. So you have to be picky about the launcher that you use on Android 10 ROMs. And this is where it looks kind of different because I think this is pretty cool how they are showing these customization options. So you can have a look at these options for yourself. You can read it through yourself. You can customize the tiles, rows and columns, skip tracks, double tap to sleep. And this double tap to sleep is a nice feature. You have screen record menu, that kind of stuff, restart, advanced restart. You have the accent picker. So this is how you can really customize it and enable it. And you have the icon shape as well. Yeah, okay, so this is the styling option that I was mentioning. So you can customize a few stuff here. And it's pretty nice. And you have the smart clock option where the clock will be displayed only periodically. VoLTE icon is kind of useless here because we don't have VoLTE. And you have network traffic options, hidden arrows, network traffic activity, auto hide, and you have it here. The auto hide was a bit weird because it either sets to 0 or to 10, not anything in between. So if I set it to 2, I come back, it's back to 0. So that's that, but it still works nicely. And you even have the option for signature spoofing. That's nice to see in a room here. So this pretty much is it for this particular room video. And if you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And the good thing with this room is that CTS is true by default with this room. So you don't have to use Magisk hide props. And I'm using Magisk 20.4 here and it works perfectly. No issue with that. And even Hangma kernel is recommended to be used by me. That's a personal preference though. You can choose not to use it and stick with the stock kernel. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.